Hello and welcome back. And this part, we're going to go over the Bmad different agents. The next agent that we're going to go over is the analyst. The analyst is going to help you through market research, help you break down a project into a project brief. It's a new or existing project. If you're updating an old project, or if you're creating a new project and you want some help brainstorming, this agent is for you. So, like I said, it's not only for new projects, but old projects as well, or any type of analysis you want to do on your existing project. To call this agent, you type the @ symbol, then analyst. And to see all the things it can help you with, you type help star. You can see issues, a list of the various things it can help you with. It can help you create a project brief, perform market research, do competitor analysis. Yellow, it's kind of I wouldn't recommend that. Doc out, you can put out the full document in progress to the current destination file. Basically, whatever conversation you're having with it, you can doc it out. It can help you generate a research prompt to put into an LLM. It can help you brainstorm. Typically, this is what I have it do. If I'm doing a new project. If I am working on an existing project, I have it help me create a project brief. And then, as you see, there are several options. One very important thing to be mindful of, I always recommend that you every time add the @analyst so that whatever AI model you're using doesn't hallucinate. Sometimes they lose track of what they're supposed to be doing. So every time I always reference back to that agent, the analyst, that I would like some help in creating a project brief. So while it's thinking, this project I've pulled up is actually a GPG generation application. Right now it's generating single keys or batch keys, and I just want to simplify it and make it just single key generation because people seem to be confused by batch generation. So I'm just going to simplify that and make it single. So I already have some information already typed out. So I'm going to tell it, hey, like I said before, I'm going to have an analyst. Currently, the GPT web application, I'm currently working on supports batch generation. I would like to change this to only support single key generation and simplify the user experience. How can we best accomplish this? So it's going to think now. So it's going to kind of do an analysis and break down how all this stuff works. It's going to be reading the files, doing research, and then it's asking me if I would like to put together a detailed plan. The objective of the analyst is always to create a brief.md, which you then feed to your project manager. So let's go ahead and say, analyst, yes, please provide a detailed action plan and create a brief.md. As you can see, it's created a brief.md. Let's go ahead and have it where we want it to store. Let's have it tell it to go @analyst. Go ahead and save this to docs-brief.md. If you go and see here, it's created a brief.md like we requested. So let's go ahead and keep this. We like this. As you can see, where we're starting to use some of the context window. Usually when I'm moving from agent to agent, I usually like to start a new chat so I'm not utilizing too much of the context window. So just to kind of circle back, if you're trying to see what other commands the analyst can do, we go star help. So this research prompt here is a very good one, as well as a brainstorm. It has different ways of brainstorming. So it's giving me options here, but brainstorming, it actually gives you multiple different ways. What are the different types of brainstorming methods you support? Please So as you can see, it supports multiple different ways of brainstorming. You can do classic brainstorming, brain writing, Scamper, not really, never used that one, mind mapping, SWOT analysis, or never used that one before. But as you can see, it supports multiple ways of brainstorming. All of this is kind of inside of your Bmad core, and you can explore that if you like. But at the end of the day, the goal of the analyst is to provide you with a brief.md, which you then take to your project manager agent, which I'll go over the next video, which will help you organize your project, which will then be passed on to the UI expert or the architect. I'll go over those in future videos, and thank you.